This is the final video to solve Creation Club causes crashes permanently in Fallout 4 mods. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve Creation Club causes crashes permanently in Fallout 4 mods, and I'm going to share them with you. First, we address the core conflict. Creation Club content often has specific dependencies and load order requirements that conflict with custom mods. This method focuses on isolating Creation Club items by adjusting their load order and utilizing a tool to force them to load before problematic mods, preventing crashes by ensuring essential files are read correctly before mod interference. Second, we tackle corrupted or outdated Creation Club assets. The technical reason this works is that damaged or incorrectly registered files within the Creation Club package can cause instability. Re-downloading and reinstalling these specific assets ensures that only clean, current versions are used, eliminating the source of the corruption that leads to game-ending crashes. Third, we look at the Fallout 4 game engine's handling of multiple plugins. This method involves using a plugin management tool to optimize the load order and ensure that Creation Club plugins are not only loaded correctly, but also that their dependencies are met by other installed mods, preventing conflicts at the engine level and stabilizing the game's execution. Finally, we explore potential conflicts with specific mod types, particularly those that heavily alter game systems or add new functionalities. This fix involves carefully identifying mods that are known to clash with Creation Club content and either removing them or implementing specific compatibility patches which mechanically resolve the crash by removing the direct point of contention between the mod and the official content.